You know the pain when a player can't see the objective because a wall is in the way or an enemy hides behind a prop. See-through shader turns that frustration into a clean visual solution that you can drop in within minutes. The headline feature is simple. Objects become see-through when they block the camera. That means players always know where to go next, and you never have to redesign a scene just to make things readable. It's ideal for tactics, puzzles, or any moment where clarity is king. Setup is genuinely fast. You apply the material, tune the fade, and move on. Because it drops naturally into a URP project, you don't need a custom render pipeline or a pile of shader code to get a polished look. 58 reviews, all 5 stars, and the buyers are basically saying the same thing. This shader just works. In a sea of finicky glass and X-ray effects, that's a rare compliment. The only honest catch is that it's not a one-click solution for every look. Play with the fade distance per project, but the defaults are already a great start. For $15, this one is a steal. That's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Check the link below and make your levels read better today. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history, deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. If you've ever needed to create LODs for a whole scene, you know how mind-numbing it is. AutoLOD automates the boring part so you can get back to actually making the game. You feed it a mesh and it generates multiple levels of detail, lowering triangle counts while keeping the silhouette close to the original. The result is better frame rates, snappier builds, and way less cleanup when you're pushing dense props. What I love is the workflow. It can handle batches of models at once, which means you can run an entire prop library through it and then fine-tune the quality per object. That's the kind of pipeline you can set up and almost forget. 50 reviews and a perfect 5-star average, and the comments are basically filled with devs saying it saved them days of work on optimization. That kind of reception tells you the tool actually delivers. No decimator can shrink a mesh down to a dot and keep the silhouette identical. If you go too extreme, you'll notice the shape change, but the per-mesh controls let you dial it right back. At $8, you're skipping hours and hours of hand modeling. The time-saved ROI here is unreal. This is one of those no-brainer purchases, so grab it from the link below. Every project ends up with unused assets that you're scared to delete. Asset Cleaner Pro takes away that fear and makes cleanup feel like a quick win. It scans your project and shows you exactly which assets are actually used, plus where references come from. That means you can delete unused files with confidence instead of playing, will anything break if I remove this? It's like having a map of your project. The reference finder is also great for refactoring. You click any asset and instantly see who depends on it, so moving folders or updating prefabs stops being a guessing game. That's the kind of clarity that makes big changes feel safe. 46 reviews, all 5 stars, and buyers keep saying it turns a messy project into a manageable checklist. That's exactly what you want from a cleanup tool. The one thing to remember is that no cleaner knows your future plans. You should always review its suggestions before deleting, but once you do, the payoff is huge. For $12, a freelancer would charge 10 times that for just one custom cleanup pass. You'll wonder why you waited, and the link is waiting for you below. You're building a racing level or a sandbox with cars, and the default physics just don't feel right. Ash Vehicle Physics gives you a solid starting point where the cars actually behave like they have weight. The simulation covers suspension, steering, acceleration, and body movement, so you get that satisfying shift of mass during corners and bumps. The real kicker is how consistent the tire grip feels at different speeds. It's alive, not like a box on wheels. Tuning is also approachable. You can make a drift monster or a sturdy off-roader by adjusting a few values, and because it's all inspector-based, you don't need to write a custom vehicle controller from scratch. That means more testing and less coding. 37 reviews, a perfect 5-star streak, and the general feeling is that the handling is way more polished than you'd expect from such a compact asset. It's a genuinely solid pick. The defaults won't match every game feel immediately, so set aside an hour for test drives. Once you tweak the settings, the vehicles settle into something genuinely fun. $10 for a vehicle system that one client project will pay off 100 times over. No reason to build from scratch, so check the link below and start tuning. Tiles and prefabs and corridors, putting them together by hand is slow, especially when you want to iterate quickly. Tessera Pro turns level building into something closer to playing. You set up rule tiles and Tessera picks the right pieces automatically based on neighboring tiles. Walls, floors, and transitions fall into place so you can paint an entire level without clicking every single tile. It's almost magical. It also supports runtime generation, which is huge for roguelikes and replayable worlds. The same design language can be recombined on the fly, giving players a new layout every run. That's a feature that keeps your game fresh long after release. 29 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. Designers love that it feels approachable even if you've never touched a tile tool before, and that praise comes up again and again. There's a little learning curve when you first build your rule tiles, but the visual editor shows you exactly what's happening, and the early effort pays off quickly. For $15, that works out to cents per level once you've made a few. It's a no-brainer for anyone who lives in tile maps. Link below. Writing unique dialogue for every character takes forever, and voice lines can be a whole production. This add-on uses modern generative AI to speed up both parts inside the dialogue system editor. You can generate story ideas, rewrite clunky lines, translate text, and even ask for quest suggestions. All of that happens right inside the dialogue system's editor. It's like having a creative partner who is always ready to brainstorm. No writer's block required. Voice side is just as cool. It can recognize speech and synthesize responses with support for OpenAI, ElevenLabs, Local Whisper, and more. Imagine a detective game where you ask questions out loud. That's the kind of interaction you can finally prototype fast. 9 reviews, and every single one is 5 stars. Early adopters say the integration feels native rather than bolted on, which is huge for a developer tool like this. It is an add-on, not a standalone, so you need the main dialogue system for Unity. If you already have it, this is a no-brainer upgrade. At $13.50, treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut today. Seriously, grab it from the link below and let your NPCs do the talking. Hidden object games can drown you in UI, hotspots, inventory, and level flow. Find It gives you a complete template that handles all that, so you can jump straight to content creation. The level editor is genuinely fast. You drag in props, mark interaction zones, set up clues, and have a playable level in under 10 minutes. There's no code required, and events are there for when you want to add extra logic. The support package around it is impressive too. There's a Discord community, quick bug fixes, and regular updates that take user feedback seriously. That kind of support makes a template feel like a product, not a throwaway. The rating sits at a 4.93 from 14 reviews, and most buyers start with easy to use or great documentation. That's the kind of reputation a template earns. The one real caveat is mobile. Non-16:9 screens can crop, the panning can feel restrictive, and touch input sometimes triggers through UI, so plan to refactor some parts before a polished mobile launch. For $13.50, you're getting a complete hidden object workflow. not just a snippet. That's the kind of deal that's cheaper than building it from scratch. Link below. Climbing frame rates without sacrificing visuals is every Unity dev's dream. FSR4 Redstone brings a practical upscaling solution that lets you render lighter and still look sharp. The core idea is to render at a lower resolution and then upscale to the target output, so you get more speed without a huge visual hit. That's especially handy for keeping smooth frames in dense URP environments. It's a practical tool, not a gimmick. It's an asset you can drop into your project and adjust to fit your quality goals. You get a quick performance boost across the board, which means more room for lush environments, effects, and gameplay. 60 reviews and a 4-star average, which is solid for specialized tech. The buyers are mostly devs chasing extra frame rate, and they say it gets the job done without breaking the bank. Upscaling won't fix a source image that's already super soft. You need a reasonable base resolution to start from, but once you find the balance, the savings are real. For $10.50, that's performance ROI for every single scene in your project. Check the link below and give your frame rate a boost. Every FPS needs an inventory, but writing ammo, slots, pickups, and UI from scratch is a whole project by itself. Inventory Pro add-on for FPS Engine gives you a head start. It brings inventory logic to your FPS game, so you can manage items, weapons, ammo, and pickups without gluing together a dozen scripts. The UI side is there too, which saves a mountain of layout work. Because it's designed as an add-on for an FPS engine, it follows the same conventions and slots into your project cleanly. That means less fighting with mismatched systems and more time making the shooting feel good. 17 reviews with a perfect 5-star score. The feedback is clear. If you're already using the base FPS engine, this add-on feels like the missing puzzle piece. It's not a standalone inventory framework, so you'll need the FPS engine it's built for. If you're in that ecosystem, it's a totally clean drop-in. For $8, it's an integration deal that plain beats coding your own inventory from zero. Link is below. Go grab it. Your future self will thank you. Sometimes a scene looks flat simply because the materials feel generic. Real Materials Lite gives you a set of believable surfaces that instantly add depth and quality to environments in URP. Each material is built to work well within the universal render pipeline, with physically based values that reflect light in a natural way. That means less fiddling to get a rough, grungy, or smooth finish that reads well. It's exactly the kind of content that makes a scene instantly believable. It's also an easy productivity win. You can drag a material onto a prop, adjust the tiling, and move on. For environment artists, that kind of ready-to-use content is pure gold, and there's no endless tweaking required. 19 reviews, all 5 stars, and users talk about consistent quality across the whole collection. That's a strong signal when you're buying materials online before trying them. The Lite name says it all. The set is smaller than the full package. But even with a limited library, you can tint and tweak to create plenty of variety. For $12.50, it's a cost per unit win because you'll use it on props everywhere. Grab it from the link below. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.